E aí pessoal, tudo bem? Hey everybody, everything's okay? Today I'm gonna show you the demonstrative pronouns, okay? Get ready because we have a lot of work to cover. Let's see that. Let's start with esta or este, okay? Esta and este means this, okay? Feminine, masculine. In Portuguese, feminine, esta, este, masculine. But in English, both mean this. So, esta caneta é minha. Esta caneta é minha. This thing here, caneta, close to me, the one that is speaking, esta. Esta caneta é minha. This marker is mine, okay? In fact, we call this in Portuguese canetão, right? The marker, the whiteboard marker. But I put here a pen, okay? Este apagador é meu. This whiteboard eraser is mine. Este apagador é meu. This one close to me. Okay? This. Okay? Notice here the agreement. Esta, feminine singular. Caneta, feminine singular. Possessive pronoun, minha, feminine singular. A. Esta caneta é minha. Okay? Same thing with the masculine. Este, masculine. Apagador. O-R, in Portuguese usually are masculine. Meu, masculine. É meu, right? This meu refers to apagador, right? É meu. Now, that we have 4 different demonstrative pronouns, okay? So, first one, feminine, singular, aquela. Aquela caneta é minha. Suppose there is a pen there. That pen is mine. Aquela caneta é minha. Away from me and away from the other person. Like if I had someone here close to me talking, that was away from both of us. Okay? Again, the agreement, aquela, feminine singular, caneta, feminine singular, minha, possessive pronoun, feminine singular, minha. Aquele, that masculine. Aquele, apagador, again, suppose it's away from me. That whiteboard eraser is mine, okay? Aquele apagador é meu, aquele lá, that one, away from me, away from the other person here, okay? Essa caneta é minha. Now, suppose there is another person there, right? And he or she has a pen that's mine. That one that's away from me but close to that other person is essa. Essa is away from me, close to another person. In English is also that, okay? Feminine singular, essa caneta é minha. Essa caneta aí é minha. Feminine singular, caneta, feminine singular, minha, possessive pronoun, feminine singular, minha. Esse apagador aí, close to you, away from me, close to the other person I'm talking to, okay? Masculine, that whiteboard eraser is mine. Esse apagador é meu. Masculine singular, possessive pronoun, masculine singular, meu. Okay? Masculine. It refers to the eraser. Okay? This 4 means that in Portuguese, in English, sorry. Okay? So, you see that you have an easier life than us when it comes to demonstrative pronouns. And we also have the plurals. Okay? I'm gonna just change the sentence here. adding an S. So esta becomes estas, feminine plural. Those. Canetas, pens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here the verb to be must be são, plural, are. Those pens, sorry. These pens, close to me, these pens are mine. Okay, these pens are mine. Estes, apagadores, I need to add an es here. And also here I need to change plural to be são, are. Meus, plural, I need to add an s. Meus, masculine plural, possessive pronoun masculine plural, meus. Minhas, feminine plural. Meus, masculine plural. Mine. These erasers are mine. These that I have here, close to me. Aquelas canetas, erase here, são minhas. Also I need to put the S at the end again, right? Those pens are mine. Those pens are mine. Away from me. Aqueles, those, masculine plural. Apagadores, I need to put an ES here. Masculine plural, apagadores. São, are. Meus, mine. Again, I need to put an S here to show that it's plural. Those erasers are mine. Those, away from me. Essas, esses. Essas canetas são minhas. Feminine plural, possessive adjective, mine, minhas. Essas, those pens that are away from me but close to someone else, okay? They are using my pens and I am asking, and I am saying, those pens are mine, okay? Feminine plural, demonstrative. Esses apagadores, plural. São meus. Those erasers are mine. Okay? Again, masculine plural. Apagadores, masculine plural. Possessive adjective, meus, masculine plural. Okay? Os apagadores meus refer to apagadores. Minhas to canetas. Alright? So, here it doesn't matter if it's a man or a woman that's saying este or esta. Meu, minha, meus, minhas. Okay? They refer to the object. If it's masculine, use a masculine possessive pronoun. If they are feminine, or it is feminine, a possessive feminine. Okay? Minha, minhas. Alright? So, that's it for today, guys. There is all to say, everything to say about it. And they are usually used, okay, without any nouns here, any pronouns here, okay. The pronouns are here. They are possessive, okay, pronouns. So, minhas, meus, okay. Usually you learn in the context who is talking about, or you already know. If it's me, you see me talking, you know that it's a man or a woman, okay. So they refer to the nouns. If the noun is feminine, singular or plural, possessive pronoun minha or minhas. if it's masculine, singular or plural, male or males. Okay? So, see you next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Take care.